All right, guys. So a very good afternoon. I just greet everybody on this platform. We dey want do something very very important. Maybe our platform we so. I have a couple of niyama egumenim sisi a meka ho asem. May read the couple of press release. I'll read a message from the foreign minister Samuel Okujetu Ablakwa, and then I will go read other press release from the self-acclaimed Igbo king. I don't want to even add Ghana because I feel like say me add Ghana. I'm me hyping on. What do you say? Me hyping on. That's how I feel. And so me ha me ho enye me ha me ho to hype him. What do you say? Me ha me ho to hype him. But we share me wahanma unmu say aha top gossip 24. What niya ye wahan say we dey enter into niyama na ekoso different places, and then we try to make sure say we strike the fact of the matter na woman senator and pepe. So when you meet me here, when you say I had it, yeah, Bible church, ya dream near dear, and I'm just gonna allow people as and when, if you want say bremo, if you don't come inside, can't share your thoughts, then come talk, and also you two can share your mindset and all that. You know, that is allowed. I will give you the chance, then you two can do one or two stuff if you want to. If you hear me clear, let me hear you commenting on the comment section that you can hear me loud and clear, and that will be good for me to boast. So say I go no say everybody to hear me loud and clear. After so over to me, I share live stream, you know. Send a all people who are around on person so bem ebi ebe can you to me a can almost to me abem ebi abechere or more drink that we are at and pepe. It be something where it go on in Ghana, where we all everybody except you know be Ghanaian. But if you be Ghanaian, way that the way things they go on, you two the thing go bore you small, then you two go talk some. So if you meet me down here, if you say something where they go on, where most people know happy about, if you me to add the brain down here, make we can't talk about them. You understand me? So it be something where it be very, very important. Everybody, we all know say this thing, if we no talk about them, you know go be. You understand me? I talked to a brother a while ago before I jump here. So I will go into in page also. We will go talk about this thing at length. It be something we for do, because if we know do them, you understand me. If we know do them, it will bring some kind of a Now, yesterday or a day before yesterday, you know, I hear some news to be about Dr. Hassan Ayariga say he reports this self-acclaimed Igbo king. I don't want add Ghana. You understand me? If I say I don't want add Ghana, it means say I know they give am reverence, say he be Igbo king for Ghana. That be the point I want make. That be why I say I no go give him any reverence, say he be Igbo king. You understand? If he be Igbo king for Nigeria, that be okay. That be no problem at all for me from where I see. But Igbo king for Ghana, no, I no go feel they here then talk say I they give him that Igbo king for Ghana thing. If you hear me, guys, let me see your comments out there as to whether you hear me or not. Now, my point here be say I the ones who make things very straight. I will read some article, I will read some messages from Facebook, I will read some messages from other places. You understand? So I want you to just hang in with me as I go through the process of making sure say I will read all those things now. I don't want to read because it be very, very important. Now I speak this PG language because I won't make it this language or the topic itself sink inside various quarters. You understand me? Sink inside various quarters. So say if you be Nigerian where you they listen to me, you know exactly that this thing where they go on. You guys for call your brothers to book. You understand? You guys to because look, just after the videos was circulating on say on Metro TV, okay, maybe you know hear the video yet, but I get a video also here for Metro TV where Hassan Ayarga they talk say he make them arrest the guy, but the guy say in the have BP issue, so they no fee make this thing. Then into kind of talk something else. Now yesterday, the foreign minister Samuel Okujitu Ablakwa said something. He say he called the guy, make him come in office. In then the guy meet. You dey understand? In then the guy meet where they won't talk about the whole thing. Now I go read the things where it come out from the meeting under, and then I will go extent of reading some other comments, because you see sometimes it's not all about the political leaders, it's about the people that are down there the people we then they matter. The people will then vote for the political parties. Those will their matter also be very important as the thing they go. So make I read what they hear. They understand me. Make I read that one. Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, the foreign minister. Okay, Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, the Ghana's foreign minister. See, I was in my beloved North Town earlier today. Oh, that was another thing. Sorry, guys. Let me just go read what I was trying to read. If you say I go read something else, see, yesterday I go make some with Pigeon Small. He said yesterday I don't invite this Chukwude Jude Ehinetu, the gentleman captured in the viral video, claiming he intends to establish an Igbo kingdom in Ghana following the alleged purchase of a stretch of land. That be Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa where they talk. He said yesterday he invite this self-acclaimed king. He understand self-acclaimed Igbo leader for Ghana. He invite them to his office because if they won't understand what exactly they go on. That be what Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa they talk yesterday. He said easily clarified that it was an old 2013 interview which he deeply regrets. See, he said after he meets this guy, where then they talk about the situation. The guy say this thing where people they talk about it for social media where they make hula balu, everybody they talk about them. This be something where happened in 2013. That time, no, where he make him mind say this be what he want to do. Okay, that be what the Igbo king they talk. He be Igbo king for Igbo. I don't want to hear Ghana. I don't want to attach Ghana to it. The reason be simple because I know sure say that guy. Even if our politicians they give him the chance, safe the way they carry him body, the way the guy they carry him body around, the way they make himself so cocotte, For me, from where I sit, I feel like say we no go feel accept such a person, make it kind of do those things they do. This morning, I they listen to people on TikTok, people they discuss this thing, people they talk about this thing. Most Ghanaians are not happy, say these things they happen. You don't understand what I mean? So it is something where most people are not happy about. I go open the phone line when I finish reading what Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa they talk. He said he assured that he has long ago abandoned the idea and has not purchased any piece of land for that purpose. Chukwude convey profuse apologies for the president of Ghana, chiefs and people of Ghana for unfortunate litigation his rather alleged advice interview has created. Okay, that is what it go on for. He say the thing will happen, everything will happen. He say it makes sorry. It makes sorry say those things happen. It makes sorry say all these things. Or say why sorry say Nyamana or Kika 2013. And no na kofa asem we nyina ba. Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa na eka o. Enye Jude na eka. Jude no wa issue press statement bi. Meka no so e de akere. As I emphasized in the meeting, Ghana is exceptionally proud of its celebrate-friendly foreign policy, which is welcoming all to our beautiful and peaceful country, particularly Africans and people of African descent. We are determined to keep championing that Pan-African identity for which we have attained global renown. Now, make I continue. We, however, expect all our fellow Africans and guests to adhere to our peaceful and law-abiding tradition and desist from conduct or pronouncement considered unlawful, divisive, and insanitary, even as they enjoy our fame, hospitality. So that be what I read from here. The thing be very small, so I zoom yeah, I see you, Ghana boy. I see you. I go give you chance and you can't make your this thing right. I just read what Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa talk. Send me catch it on Niama is on wave into say me the Niama fra ni ade na me BPM na me kind. Or see government edges calm and restrain and recalls the inseparable bond of friendship and brotherhood between Ghana and Nigeria. Let us all, in the true spirit of Africa solidarity, guard our commentary so this matter does not degenerate into heterophonic consequences Okay, what did he talk about hosiphonic? It's see what South Africa, brand South African phone say Nigeria so no idea na it were like they kill people at that time. Things happening in South Africa at that time because the South African they believe say Nigerians they take things from them, they take things away from them, you understand? So that be what Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa they talk. Now, this thing where they say no, for me from where I sit, like it no be problem and your problem be like seriously, like it no be any problem at all. The only problem I they have be say the guy after I go meet Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa yesterday, into he can't release on press release. That be where I have problems because the guy still they call his name or he say in palace. Who put down for the palace? Like who give him that chance for that place? That be my problem. That be my main problem. That is why it is say I know if he show one or two stuff, but my problem is say who they give this guy all this power. We just did they throw him body around, they talk say in palace. It is the issue statement from in palace. Then it claims say what's Hassan Ayariga they talk be lies. Well, now me from where I sit as a Ghanaian, I know go feel wake up and talk say Hassan Ayariga they lie because I know say Hassan Ayariga be somebody in the vibe or it won't stand as a president. So you know go feel just wake up and can't lie. You go feel have your own understanding of how the whole thing they go. But me, as I listen to Hassan Ayariga, I will play that video also right now. The video day, but I will play them. So make I go share that video also quickly. You understand? I will share that video quickly because Hassan Ayariga day, he didn't do what do you call? There was an interview with him and Paul Adomotri. Okay, so I will share that video also very soon. So you go listen to Hassan Ayariga. So we all go know whether Hassan Ayariga they lie or this guy where they want to throw that into the eyes of Ghanaians. You understand me? Because the most important thing is say we have to know what is going on. You understand? So Hassan Ayariga talk something for Good Evening Ghana. And that be what I want me to go listen. I want us to listen over and over again because the thing where Hassan Ayariga talk no, it be something where it go.
Or he did not, he's voiced it out that he has. And the videos are there. So we are taking his word again.
So is he being released on bail?
Yes, this afternoon he complained of high BP
in the cell.
In the cells, and said his BP has gone up. You know, yesterday when he was invited, he went there with the ambassador.
Nigeria. Ambassador of what?
Nigeria.
Nigeria's ambassador to
Nigeria
Ghana.
Ambassador to Ghana. He went there with his lawyers and all that, thinking that it was the ordinary citizens, what do you call it, NIB or National Investigation, National Security who just listen to him and ask him to walk away. This is not that national security you're thinking of. This is a different national security altogether. They will investigate. As a citizen of Ghana, when you send a petition, they will have to listen to your petition.
All right, guys. So, like I did talk, right? This is coming from Hassan Ayariga. I don't know whether you think say Hassan Ayariga they lie. I don't know whether they think say Hassan Ayariga they lie or they be the guy where they won't can't tell our story. But after where Hassan Ayariga can't talk about what they want to talk about, this same guy can't issue some press release, some press release we can't release this morning. Now I will share that press release also because this be where my worry day. This be where my worries day. My worries day, that particular this thing you can't share this morning. I know go chair for here though. I won't do this thing right quick. Then I will give Ghana boy the chance because in Sweden he have some information as to what they go on. I will ask him whether he was able to reach out to a couple of people where get some filler from them. At least that one to go clarify the air a little bit. But make I read this one. I beg you guys, so please pardon with me. Be very, very small. I go increase some, but it be very, very small. The Igbo chief is the Dr. Chukwudi J. Ahinetu. I can't pronounce all the name. Replies Hassan Ayariga TME. The man in his own capacity replies to Hassan Ayariga's whatever that happened yesterday. So make I read that one so quick. The palace of Easy in the Igbo king the Republic of Ghana. Every days. I have run a shimino. I had a shimino. Man can't say shimmy. To be honest, I had only a shimmy because I don't think say Ghanaian be able to be free Ghana all of a sudden. Now you go free travel go Nigeria. Then you travel go Nigeria. No, you see go buy land. No, then start to call yourself the like Ashanti King or Ga King or Fanti King of Nigeria or something like that. You know if you do go do that thing, but this guy they do now. When they can't finish, I dey talk in pidgin because I won't make the Nigerians read and they around also. They should listen. That's why they talk in pidgin. They should. I know they will come at me, but me, I know they might because at the end of the day, you know, we all be Africans though. But when they deal with my brothers from the other side of the West, you have to open your eyes. I dey tell you guys, I have seen it before, I've witnessed it before, and so if I'm dealing with anybody that has to do with that in that part of the West, I'm very, very careful because when you make one step, they make two steps ahead of you. That's how they did. Now, make I read this very short. Or see for immediate press release. For immediate release, sorry. Igbo King for immediate press release. Igbo King Palace debunks misleading claim by Dr. Hassan Ayariga. In Accra, July 17, 2025, our attention has been drawn to unsubstantiated claim made by Dr. Hassan Ayariga, leader of All People's Party Congress APC, during his appearance on Metro TV, Good Evening Ghana, on 15th July 2025. The Easy Igbo Palace wishes to categorically refuse all such allegation directed at Eze Jude Chukwude Ahenetu, the paramount chief of the Igbo community in Ghana. These claims are baseless and deeply regrettable. Dr. Ayariga's insinuation of illegal activities, including prostitution, are deeply unfortunate. We respectfully urge Dr. Ayariga to provide immediate proof for or evidence to substantiate this serious accusation against the Igbo leader. Furthermore, these repeated claims regarding 50 acres land acquisition at Nungo for an Igbo village are entirely falsehood or false. It is particularly concerned that Dr. Hassan Ayariga reiterated this discredited claim even after the member of parliament for Ningo Prampram, Sam George, had publicly clarified that no such land was earmarked. We wonder what this motive truly was in repeating such untruth. The Easy Igbo King Palace wishes to clarify the following. One, Izeju Chukwude Ahenetu is a law-abiding individual who has resided in Ghana for 30 years. He is happily married to a Ghanaian woman, and he's a respected businessman with diverse interests in both Ghana and Nigeria. That's the first point. Second point, Izeju Chukwudi has never engaged in any form of criminal activities, including the alleged prostitution as falsely claimed by Dr. Ayariga. Third, the title of Eze Idingbo, one, was not self-acclaimed. I don't know. I'm just trying to read. It's very, very small, but I'm just trying to make sure I get it clear and read. It's not self-acclaimed by Eze Chukwudi Ehinetu in Ghana. Instead, he was duly nominated and coronated by a recognized kingmakers in Nigeria, in 2012. These consultation with Igbo leaders in Ghana, thereby solidifying his legitimacy leadership of the Igbo community in Ghana. Fourth, the Igbo leader holds Dr. Hassan Ayariga in high regard as a respected Ghanaian politician. However, the comments made about the Igbo leader are profoundly unfortunate and lack any factual basis. The fifth one is the Chukwude Ahinetu remains committed to upholding and respecting the laws of Ghana and always prepared to avail himself for any form of scrutiny. Guys, now these are the points this guy has actually enumerated, and I say, oh, they are petty horny idea. You understand me? This be the thing where this guy talk. These be the things we put around. Say, they do any prostitution, buy any land, do this, do this, do this. As I regard the lie. Okay, Nigerians and Ghanaians share deep bond, skin to brothers, with numerous commodities. Therefore, we respectfully urge Dr. Ayaga to desist from inciting Ghanaians against Nigerians with half-truth and unsubstantiated claim. We urge the public to disregard this malicious and unfounded allegation. The Igbo Palace remain dedicated to fostering peace, unity, positive contribution within Ghana. Okay, guys, this be the thing. Signed by Ronnie Gogo, head of communication. I don't know who that guy is, but this is what is coming out from that guy. Okay. Now, the problem I have is I don't know how come the problem they have is I don't know and you see ye omu man no sa Igbo king no one fan tra Nigeria na odi abeba betra Ghana say oba be bo Igbo phone by Ghana. I don't think say I know say Ghana for you 2 kwan pa na otu kwan ko be I know say we have chiefs and other people in living in other countries they have their chiefs and that all those things, but those people don't claim say omu ye king omu a palace, because I know say sometimes otun for 2 kwan otumi be ye a friend saying there sometimes in the UK, and they have sub chiefs at UK onoma. They are just community leaders. They don't show themselves say omu ye king, they want to own the throne. The only problem Ghanaians have say papa we why who say or no or fame. And let me make a talk, make I say this, make I make free. Today, this afternoon, I hear say some Nigerians self get Ghana passport. Be say it be lie, it be true. I know, but make I use this opportunity, say make I advise our Ghanaian sisters, the girls. You understand? I know they talk say go find your love for Nigeria. You go find your your loved one for Nigeria. But if you marry a Nigerian man, we then they stay for Ghana. If you hear say that man won't go get Ghana passport, irrespective of the love that you have for that man, you have so a catch will be then stop on. After so Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, you are the foreign minister. You guys go fish out all the passport way them do give these people. It's possible. You can use the immigration system in Ghana. Omu 2 kwan no muko do Ghana immigration point piano. Say to me those passports because omu the best say you. A while ago, minya video na menya no. China. You see Nigeria for ya China. Omu akose ho. Ya no for bi do obedu jombe say ho. Honestly speaking, no, Abraham wo Dubai no. The same Nigeria for omu the occultism eba ho. Omu the fight eba ho. Omu the omu basa ye no eba ho robbing. Omu the robbing banks na se for. Se si a uko Dubai ya banding Nigerians. Even unam Dubai abonten so now we black Obia bisa say Nigeria. Obia bisa say we Nigeria ni ana. Uka say we Nigeria ni pet, they will watch you with a different eye. Now the reason why I talk like this, we say experience have show me say when you deal with a Nigerian, if you open your eyes. I tell you guys, whether you want, you go agree, you know, go agree, me I no get problem. Make I just say it the way it is. What are they told me say when you deal with a Nigerian, when you do business with a Nigerian, whether the person be Igbo, Yoruba, it be Hausa, it be Frafra, whatever it is, the very time you go hear say the person be Nigerian, open your two eyes, including your third eye. If you be witch, open that third eye, because when you give them 2 inches, they will take an extra. Mimi who be that? Make tell you guys something. Before I they won't rent my shop, give somebody. So I go this Nigeria guy in there, say he want the shop. The guy can't rent the shop finish. You know what he do? You know what that guy do? See, they can't stay for the shop inside for almost 1 year plus 2 years. You know, pay electricity, because electricity bill no come. The time where electricity bill come, where this man will pay, you know, pay up to today. That be the first thing. That be the first point. That be the first lesson. Now, make I give you guys one thing also. The time where we did in Dubai, you see, if you deal with Nigeria, open your eyes. You know, we say, okay, you then say. Me who be that? I see some before. So these guys where they can't stay Ghana, almost so Ghana, you okay, per Ghana. Some of them too, they make noise. Now make I go read some comment from where I they read some of to Ablakwa. You go see say Ghanaians no happy. I did tell you, nobody will tell you say Ghanaians are happy. Ghanaians no be happy about the whole thing. Ghanaians are not happy about the whole thing. The whole thing where they go on. Make I go read some of the comment. So you go see what are they talk. Okay, make I go read. If I get some of the comment read, you go see. You go see how Ghanaians are not happy about the whole thing. People they talk say make it go. People they talk say make it deport them. People say make it then go. Blah blah. A lot of things they go. People they talk about the same thing. So I they go read the comment section, show you people what people they talk about that man. Okay, make I go read the comment section. So you guys go know say what are they talking about. Most people are not happy. So after Samuel Kujitu Ablakwa published that video or he published these pictures, listen to the comment section. People deport these idiot immediately. Sorry, this is the first comment somebody give. Somebody said, kindly deport them. They are coming too many on our land, and our name can be destroyed by their bad character. Listen, that be the second comment. Third comment, please deport them immediately so that he can go and form a kingdom in Nigeria. Did you listen? That be the fourth one. The fifth one is good job, but I do not trust this man. Did you hear that? Even say the man they talk say they own the place. You see the press release where it drop. I believe say you guys see the press release where that guy drop. You see the press release where the guy drop. Now the next one, somebody else to write here say, and for that matter, you allow him to walk away just like that. Hey, go and sin no more. That be what the person they tell someone put it to a black hole. Okay, Obisu say deport that ofui immediately. Obisu Kaya deport that ofui immediately. Somebody so he won't be this. They say the question is, does he have the resident permit to be in the country? Why are we tolerating such things? He had been here enough and he has lived. Message now, he has been here enough. Sana, and that particular message, over 130 messages. And it was here, baby. Another one, I'll see, respectfully, your recent engagement has divergently amplified the stature of the so-called king through the optic and publicity surrounding your proper paragraphs. A more strategic approach would have been to channel this matter through the Nigeria High Commission, who remain the most legitimate and authoritative conduit for addressing such diplomatic sensitive issue. The person talking is Kofiche, is talking to the honorable minister. Or see, you could have used another means, not to use what you are using. Don't be what? Don't be jubilable. I don't know what's that, because these people can lie. Pan, okay, you see. Somebody say, don't believe, oh, don't believe, make you no believe this thing, or make you no believe. Say you go think, say this guy, they tell you the truth, it a lie. Because I saw one video on TikTok already where somebody they show, say if you they go a flower on your right side, that building day. You know, we say the building no day, the building day, the building day. People say that man built something like that for them. I've seen a place in his, as I might say, it is stay in East Lagos or something. It is stay in East Lagos, a build palace. People they go there, then things. Massa, I they support the demonstration where they won't do for Ghana. One more time. This guy must disease from calling himself a king in Ghana. He go fit call himself leader of the Igbos in Ghana, fine. But not to come and call himself, say he be king. We know we'll take that thing. Now, another person come to the top, say Ghana man, na mumu, indeed. When was the last time thief admit, say he be thief? You did hear? When was the last time somebody wey dey steal, a criminal, will tell you, oh, I didn't me you sure say papa will be try with him say or was no or could you to Ablakwa or did the pass say this man go can't talk that thing, say he gets, you know, go can't talk you that thing, say he get to. He don't understand me. You know, we can't sit in front of you and tell you, oh, me, I buy the land. The land is there. I want to use it for this. I want to use it for that. You think say this guy, he go come, they tell you people say he buy the land. You think so? Now make a copy, if Ghana boy, if you still did there, maybe you have something you want to talk. Now, this be the way you go fit join me by the link I send there. If you are still there, when you hit on that link will just ask you one or two to enter your password, to enter inside the system, and then you can join me up here, come and share your thought as to what you are picking on the ground, because Nyama Ekoso on the ground early here. And then I was in someone's TikTok. Now Nyama Ekoso was our TikTok program national. HS 85% of Ghanaians, they know happy. Ghana for people know they happy. People know they happy. Now, before I go, I the way say Ghana boy go enter. Nyani ma you are few. I go nyeme kecheme. I go aka go nyeme. Tra no manya bai. Wale ake tumobena wo you dan ake gama shipon gama noni. No ni wani ma you ka few ake. Papa ne na ka achole Igbo king ne. Ebe central region ye. Ebe Volta region. Ebe northern region. Ebe Ashanti region. Eye Greater Accra. Wo game wo no no mi to ma wie gan koni neke wie mo fio ni ma wie ye game ne na kan wie mo ho anyohye ye wo nyeme game atoyami ke wo nu kae ko me atoyami ameni ni mi eka nwo ame na alo ame amedan aka nwo ame na ni ame heshika ye neke obla no na edi bona fi agbene ko ba wie no ko nyon wi. Long time ago I noticed Nigerians in Banungwawa, and those days said they are using the regional maritime as a yardstick to enter into Ghana. Say, I member school. Can't member school and no more blind be at a flatche. Ekumena me here to the nonsense degree. To the nonsense degree. I'm saying it. I will say it. I will talk. I will talk again. Come in Nigeria or blind be a banana yeke. I'm a naira and I'm here. I feel like a beshkawulu. Kaka amenyame se amenyame se na kai bino ba lishin awobo ho akabo efo kagbe na pa even wonyeme game kume ke wonyeme fanteme kume na me fambe ka je fantema mama ba hish shikpon na me matun ke ni bi ye nunwa ke ga pupa kuma no ke nganyo ba alo nunwa nyo ba alo Ghana nyo biba ne to ne high to make hale ka me na ni Nigeria go pu no ameka ba bia no na kote nunwa kume joint kume ni ka je na po no to je me forging kume ni those days ni ka what akase ni what to mi ka ba po these days e ka je na po because Nigeria is about fire no why war. Can Jenapo, Nakan Jen, a jacket Nake, I'm about 4. Now remember Luamehi, can Nigeria you come by a Kametem Baba, can Nigeria you come by high chun, can Nigeria you come by how single room. A question Ashobana, sleepers need you more than 20. No, I'm a fioji. I make a hello back bibu, I make a rent you. Luobo chuche no get to full mue hamo, bu okan aleho say, le every night there, he 1 Ghana city. Every night, if I have 1 Ghana city, then more meba can more pay 1 Ghana city, a war to me, Nakajibo na me feel. Luonya lo here chelawo, in him me kame, or papa me, or mammy me, or na me, or na canso like or she called the die, many batoga, or here in Swishi. Get walk a one and a marshing, no, I check any BBB come. At the end of the day, we're here about Swishi. Because at the end of the day, no need call Jake, I'm a yo. Somehow could you to Ablakwa a water region, my G, the Mayule Street. No ni aka hanibi komahi. Ake that's all the thing. Ake mama aka hanibi komahi in the name of diplomacy. Bientone no whether the news is fake or is not fake, we don't know. Because at the end of the day, the same person nekega she hego shipon. Bientone no come letter name keje kingdom. Letter name letter is from the Igbo kingdom. Who give that guy the opportunity to come to say IgboKingInGhana? They just can't sit there, go call himself Igbo kingdom. Ghana boy, if you are there, let me know. If you are not there, that's fine. But who go come? How you go fit travel? Ghanaians within day Nigeria. How many Ghanaians day Nigeria right now as I talk to you? How many people day Nigeria from Ghana? As I talk to you, say go fit talk say if they go buy land from Nigeria, then build. Ask yourself. No matter how difficult it is, no Ghanaian won't buy land build in Nigeria. No way. They want to come back home. That is how we are. So we shouldn't listen to those people coming say, oh, well, I know Ghana for no more hospitality, more hospitality, no dear, fine pa. Oh, and say Ghanaians are good. Massa, if they must go, they must go. Okay, if they must go, that be the thing. For me, at the talk say, if a Nigerian Ghana can't get passport, then it be problem. But it happen. The plan be say, make I tell you guys if you don't know. If you see a young Nigerian person, hello, my Dorcas, I'm good though. If you see a Nigerian person entering into Ghana, they have 2 batch of plan. The first plan, it be say they are a young man or babe pay juma or ye juma no kakra na wa share Ghana buy you any bi na wa share ne nyensen or ni wu ba ko no pa. Oh, I have kiddies in Ghana, I have babies in Ghana. Then he go use that girl get passport. Once they get passport pay, he go use that same girl get Ghana card. Now he dey learn small say he be Ghanaian. Then very soon he go kind of talk say, oh, maybe you're Ghana ni you will me or Ghana. Sometimes when he those days in Dubai, obi betuma ka say, oh, maybe you're Ghana ni, maybe you're Ghana ni. Obi say you're Ghana him fan of to me ka, but to me can say me you're Ghana ni. With the whole Ghana passport. Those days where Dubai police they arrest blacks, ye chi omo Nigeria for mukuta Ghana passport because now brand here be a Ghana embassy. Dubai fraudulent guy or your passport ni mo jisika wa the same thing koso Miami Abebre. Auntie Dorcas, if you want to join us, I'm just talking about this Igbo king, whether it's fake news, his arrest is fake or is true. Hassan Ayariga broke the news on Good Evening Ghana. He said, okay, my arresting no, he was arrested, blah blah blah. He said his stomach or said his blood pressure caught high and to muyino. Papa no so say yanchino, it's a lie. Hassan Ayaga just says, okay, me what information about him bringing people from Nigeria to come and do prostitution in Ghana. For that one, I don't know whether it be true or false. But the fact say I know the way Nigerian date. I know if he talks say that man know they do that business. I'm telling you, maybe they do the big one. I know if he talks say they do, I know they do. But I they tell you, say, as far as I know how my people, how Nigerians they behave, as far as I know how they behave, as far as I know the way Anania Mercy or Muyo Munyamani at the end of the day, mean to me can say and you no credit and no credit. That's what I am saying. You know, that's what I am saying. Mean to me can say or yeah now say and it's true or false. Obey to me yeah because omo per business, and we all know those days. We all know how Igbo people they behave. Ghana, I see a chiobi, or chankwalatre, and I say, or chakwalabi titrema, and I say, or juakwalabi yima di, and I say, or kutahata, who come. At the end of the day, Panyai, you see one Nigeria person inside. Me can't out. You see one Nigeria inside. And the anti-doctors, if you have time to join us, Mpacho, obit me join here. You tell one catch a pan. Aha, you tell one catch it. Your bar page we so you to me shout, Papa. I say so obit me join here. That will be nice also for us on this page. Thank you so much for coming in. And Tebusha, like I'm saying, we have to make sure, say, if we want to kick this guy out, we kick him out. There are so many ways of going about. I share that hey, or buy wabe ware Ghana ni, watena Ghana be say 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years. Our plan, because he get plan, the rush. Because he get plan, the rush. Watonebu aware Ghana ni aye ni niama bebri. Our mission. The mission is say he's want to just create something. So it can't day like nothing they go or nothing. Wabeti waye you obey last time in picture. Wako John Ejekunku for that's number one. Mahu Oni Mahama photo. Obintu si wako Nanado ho photo. Mahu Oni Otunfo photo. Recently, he went to some chief in Eastern region. Photo. Baby obeko biano or chucha photo. The only place I mean who say wako Gama Palace one me who say wako no. But me who another photo of him in Nwa with the Nwa Wulomo. So that's why people are castigating and saying that the Nwa Wulomo is behind the whole thing. Anti-Doctors, you are welcome. That's why people are saying Nwa Wulomo no so eka ho. Ama papa we have a nya eyi ataman power Ghana baby o Nambiano or friend who king. Me a yeme shit man kana me boa. Anti-Doctors mpacho obi to me flow.
Hello, good evening.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening. And good morning or good afternoon. Yeah, my network no make a creepy. Okay. You see, there's this sad thing in Ghana. Ghana for to we traveled a lot. I am say Greenland Krobi Oho. I'm here Antarctic Krobi Oho. So Ghana for Kubebia, we try to obey laws. But when we come into our country, we behave like, sorry, forgive my language. We behave like some people who don't have mind. Into our country, we behave like, sorry, forgive my language. We behave like some people who don't have mind. Issue critically. Hello?
Yeah,
I listened to it I listened to it few minutes. Ewo Tuntum Network.
Yeah.
Now from the way or Kasano, I think sir Ghana first should be Itron. That is how the word they use. As say be and we should eyes. I didn't necessarily be a free chrome, no, the two better Ghana for so. Not Ghana for the Kobe chrome I say dim muscle. How can he become a king? A king in our land. Nampacho and cran honor or toss as here or yes, and man cran or any ho. What he be any ho, but me I call this guy to order. Ghana for a sermon. Mamu yesuna Nigeria for some mutin some of comfort Ghana home. Our internet is so you will be as you say. Who be drew? Our internet is so you'll be Ghanaians should have a little pride so that when I'm now Ghanaian, you don't need to hide. Nagana for come home and come and for say dinner. I don't know how against her. Obia be free in the chroma baby. Obia be free ni kroma be tite Ghana ni so. Wo kan. Na onyonko Ghana ni aba be kan che say. Enye hwe no. Na ye de say kuro no. Se China ni free ni kroma ba. No aba be creating the kingdom ha. Nigeria ni ba no aba create. Obi aba be creating the kingdom ha. Ahemfo mo free Ghana ha no. Omo so be dan. And crying. Omo ye sikon na ni sikon no ni. And so na omo nkasa I just don't understand. I don't get it though. I don't get it. I don't even know how to say it. Because then anything foreigner, he sees the person as money. Unfortunately, because of the same attitude in Etina, we have made slaves in our own country. Over Kumasi, sometimes ago, previous governments, no, China for Ghana, how they were just misbehaving. If you go the way they have rented people's house and they have messed the place up, and so still people want to give their houses to Chinese. Opedanya unyabi. Inti asem I can panasano. I asem kese na eba because Igbo for no akwa ebisa one of these Africa countries.
I think it's South Africa. South
Africa. And unti Ghana for a pamucho mumi nyanye no. Na ayen kase na se yen raya sasine aya board ni emaye. Moja na nananum hwe good jate to ho mayen. Nti se dru yen so dia, let us protect the land. Na yen yan se obi aba no betiti eso no akọ. Yen kwa na hia yen sa. Mrs. Ogo internet so na utie nsema Nigeria for no ka about Ghanaians. And se no musika sanoa. If you listen and listen well, they are telling us something. Because Nemo Mbe no Ghana Han, no Ghanaian can do it even quarter in Nigeria. You to me, yes, and yes, sit up. Then yes, we are yes, no. Minister, yes, parliamentarian, yes, what would the ordinary Ghanaian do? If I'm a chummy in Jaisa, Mummy Jaisa, na Ghana for ya, yes, I know my mobile, oh, yeah, you thank you. My network, and I don't know, said that's it.
Yeah, a woman, but no problem. Thank you so much. I miss you our platform also, but no problem. And Tibusian send a Marge Auntie Jane Marge one air cannon. It's serious. Hey, Auntie Docas air cannon, sorry. Hey, serious. Hey, serious. Media Macase me shop be my Nigerian. Now office say or nyansa at the end of the day. He said, my senior brother said, oh, German in Canada. I said, what do you want? I mean, German in Casa saying, German in Casa saying, oh, yes, Obi Juana de or yet the new, oh, German in Casa. You see, this kind so don't do anything I am question because Nippon why born.
Anything I am question, who are. Now, once I saw women protect women, they go and support Nipa, the outsider. This behavior in Ghana, I just don't I just
network
now okay, so bet me akọ Nigeria so I catch on say we ken ho. Wait me, you can't. You can't chepa mo choma mo nyesa. Na mo hu ye ni mu ase. Na we want to work outside Ghana as Ghanaians and be bold in saying it.
It's serious. It's serious. Thank you so much. And send a year cano. Mate said the YouTube strike and on the 19th or so whatever no, there will be a strike in Ghana or a strike demonstration in Ghana on the 19th or something like that. So and then 17th they are just I can't do this. Say Saturday or Friday or media may can say Obia be a Konako join because it's not about the president, it's not about the vice
Saturday.
Saturday, yes, and I'm here. And to me, because I know how these guys are.
Yeah.
I know I have dealt with them. I know. Maybe mu delia or mu kasa.
Mr. They can come and be using your they will come to your house and mess you up. Use your house for all sorts of activities, prostitution, doing 419, all sorts of activities. You will see them come and go, but they know exactly what they are doing in the house. In Ghana, for me, shine your eyes. Shine your eyes.
Maybe anti-doctors, I did back when how many say Ghana, my one, Miss Slomo. I'm not saying don't love a Nigeria guy, but it is too much. See, can you bring to more Nigeria? Oh, they take care of women. Then they will mess up with them. At the end of the day, give birth with them. 4, 5, 6. No my job hoko. No abenya Ghana passport, Ghana card. No they anytime obe Nigeria or Ghana. Or what agenda or agenda. And yes, or better or agenda. Obu or Remo or what 10 years plan. First plan is there. Get some young Ghanaian lady, marry her, fly buoyantly. She say, "Wasika mananinji." Get 1 or 2 kwalabi wumuni adie and siomo kasano. Ne wafaso nya passport. Unya passport, you have faso nya Ghana card. Now, what to do? Most people are being transported there because omuwo agent ewo somewhere in the Western world that they want to do fraud. What you say? So they can transport you to go and give you a 10-5 years plan. Because who could do Ghana and the agent who could do Ghana, obetumi use Ghana as a point of reference, no the Genesika, because Omo block all those assets we know Nigeria because of Omo fraud.
Of course.
Now block it until Obefa, then they can use it. Wafrao, hey, yeah, so see Ghana, you bought the total of they bought fraud countries are who bought Ghana be Moana Nigeria PM. Ghana pay Moana Nigeria PM. And our leaders are just thinking of I mean we are the same. We want to open our borders.
I just don't understand. No. Still, I don't get it. Ghana phone kwana ECOWAS for. And so ko Nigeria. Amako Abuja pen. Ko Nigeria, you can't just do things like that too. And to Ghana for my and yes, we have laws. We should uphold the laws. And I think that I support you 110%. I support you in what you are saying. Ghana for him, yes,
honestly, media near shimmy say after say Asan Yarigabe can say national security who arresting or see or BP no our mojano and then wabe release press conference the bangi niana ye Hasan Yariga air cano HS or no see
he has just shamed you.
Or friend
he has just shamed you.
Or friend who Igbo king in Ghana. Media me person me boy still or ye Igbo ni or share Igbo for so Ghana, no problem. But I don't want that thing even to be there because I know Nigerians who they say the same thing and almost start to Dubai. Or Muba Dubai, no, almost start Igbo clan, Yoruba group, what group, Hausa group, and then they fight among each other. They clash, almost clash, West cry. See, I will Dubai now, now see where Nigeria near OPI fell with a different eye. Everybody watch different eye, different eyes. Somebody be sure. So I'm not banding Nigeria. See, I quite a video be free China. You see China and so they are doing the same. The same.
You see, you see, they don't have peace in their country, and because they don't have peace in their country, when they go to people's country, they carry the same thing. I didn't know Nigeria, a whole clan to me, sorry, a whole clan say, yeah, they're Hausa, Muslims, and when you say when you're Muslim, you have to be killed. If we entertain them, they will bring in some of these characters here. And Ghana, because we are vulnerable, people can easily join. A whole town, because they can't live with each other. Ghanaians, we don't care. So, or you're nothing. I can't even to me or you're cranny, we have intermarried, but they don't allow those things. So they hate each other. We should be careful they don't transport and bring some of these things in Ghana. You see, some time ago, I was listening to a friend on the internet in South Africa. So this, they are killing of foreigners. No, they don't just kill everybody, Keke, unless you become a victim. They have
Oh
their
yeah.
target. They have their target because the person said when they come, they use their batakari. They
Yeah,
still
me too.
the company yes, the company will be going down, and therefore sometimes they say not the they are coming to steal from their shops. Therefore, when you see them and watch them again, watch them again now. They always have an agenda. They always until when they come and you and you are Ghanaian, you are in trouble. Ghana, we trust each other. We are good. We have good hearts. Until abanye ye pacho ya soretia ye nya Igbo.
I'm surprised. Oh, this guy has been there for many years. Oh, he's been in Ghana for almost 30 years. Oh, so how come
I
all
know
of a sudden say our wabe sorry gidi gidi? How come? Onyana tabani fihi. Onyana tabani fihi. All of a sudden now wabe PM say ye say akradi or ni press release in Yinano or say from the Igbo Kingdom. I'm sure so be techere. I'm sure say there's a politician behind this because Otumika said from the Igbo Kingdom. Or no chosen from the Igbo Kingdom. And Rami who Ghana any be also wako share is the person was saying say Hassan Yariga they lie. Today they go hear him. Said they go hear him no. And no more release a message here to Abontino. Said they go hear him. They go hear him. And no more Ghana for Ako share no. Now say say Captain Smart in now Munina call on Mokoji Param he said sub chief of places. Captain Smart Munina called Papa no. Papa no matter say or we feel kakra ebi ewon say East Legon so whatever it is. A honeymoon on the other in the palace or to one moment to
we did business in Ghana. That is what we should be investigating.
Mommy,
we should be investigating me a Juma or in Ghana until when you're Sasikana, why sad no. So oil money laundering.
Mommy Bubo business is somehow why business of Mr. Easy. I mean Bubo soon chill na
Foster.
Mami Bubo soon chill na business no and easy. Yes, see yes, see our school. Ewo Ghana. Our school or Ghana. Esa ewo a friend say or supply what they call it. You see or supply Ghana Ghana Education Service. I don't know what he's supplying, but I'm told say or supply or moniama near dear.
Okay.
Niama near dear. Esa wo transport business. Ewo Ghana.
Okay.
And also na miti so yes our group of companies and yes one company companies sana miti it's been
that is a Ghanaian be a benefactor.
Yes obi benefited because buy no wabe worry Ghana ni wabe worry Ghana ni na woman no marry or worry no cry yes lady no or your queen mother baby mean to me who baby na mama no queen mother who ni ma until the lady is the one actually pushing the whole thing. I'm pretty sure. See, my story. My name is His Royal Majesty. Easy, Dr. Abansado Chukudi Jude Ahinetu. Easy Chukudi one.
We're in trouble.
Easy in the Igbo Ghana. I was born in Anambra or whatever it is. I don't know. Local government area of Imo State, Nigeria. I'm looking for the business. I'm looking for the business. Look, This guy, he's been around in Ghana for a long time,
So,
and he know what he's looking out for. Baby,
and for them, they don't just move. They have agenda. Before they move somewhere, they have their agendas, and they will be manipulating people and using people. That is their style. They will use you. Okay.
That guy, this guy has been there. Look, royal council members of Easy Ido and his palace chiefs. High Chief Chukwu Amendo, Ghana. Easy Simo. Oh my God. In Kwanta, yeah. Omo baby omo do Kwanta, omo sub chief on Kwanta, or sub chief. Yes, in Kwantana.
Okay.
Or be wo Adotema, or be wo like Ayawaso traditional, like around.
Okay.
Central
Gas
region.
na mo mafo. Gas na mo mafo mo dan. Omo sas na enye papa. Really enye papa. Gan chiefs. Omo nya isa omo je nsa kakra na omo ama nipa no time o de enye okobia no. Omo nya
this thing.
No ma Igbo chief. Ebe tu wasase. No oye sa nema we ya. Why? Why? Ana galants they need na government here.
This thing, no. No.
It is painful.
Oh,
it is painful, my brother. It is painful.
Mame, Papa no abeche. Oni bese manche. Ene wo piche mu ano. Bese manche. I don't think bese manche. Ene wa ano. Bese manche ankasa ne wa. You know be now.
Okay.
What system ni much? Just say he's not coming out to say. They say na why na agin say obey, but look at the pictures. Baby obeko biano or chucha pictures because he know what he's looking out for. This is an Stormzy bese manche.
They have
the only person I'm not seeing here, the new Gamache, Nitaki, Teguchu. He's not here, but you can see all those old people are or more before Teguchu ever in 8 years ago. No? All of them are here. It is something that people know. Say Papa no here. And yes, or parading who, and yes, or parading who.
He has been accepted by the Gan chiefs.
He has been accepted by a group of people. He's been accepted by a group of people. Also, can say, or a kingdom. Oh, man. This thing cannot continue like this. Never. Never. We can't continue like this as a country. To me, we don't want to hear that king thing. We don't want to hear it. So a leader of
if
the
he is
Igbo
a
people,
king, fine. You see, if he is a king, fine. But the kingdom, no, how can you create a kingdom in somebody's land? You understand? You go to war, fight and conquer people before you can create a kingdom. But you can't just come to somebody's country and create a kingdom whereby you are not a native. That is where the problems comes from. We don't know these Nigerians, they are importing some of these things into Ghana. And in future, when we leave and we leave our grandchildren here, they will start murdering them. They will tell you, so if you don't become our subject, we will kill you. Me, I am afraid for my grandchildren, though they are not here. And this one has started like this. It will come when we are dead and gone, because their children will be here. They will not intermarry us and become like us. Ghanaians, we have intermarried ourselves, and therefore we see each other like brothers and sisters. But Nigerians, they are not like that. When they want you into their folds, they want to use you. They will use you. They will talk sweetly to you, as if they love you. They don't. They want something that you have.
People don't know. I'm telling you, people don't know. I said they've not dealt with Nigerians before, but me, I know when I'm dealing with when I talk to a Nigerian, because I know say I won't take what you are saying. I will go and find out by myself. I know say I will go and find out because media mean job when di back mean job when di 11111 safe. I know I really trust them because at the end of the day, you know, they one step another step. If you give a step, woman one step, be a door back, or rather, ni ma uncle Traodi, Obua, or be another door. I say a DNA, and this is Ghanaian, I will be a door back, mana, or so brand once say, oh, my boss, Umbra, ba, a be a door, no, actually, near war, or Mumba, and we just say, oh, ma, go be a door, now, say, DNA, Sana,
sometimes,
we know, Delia.
Yeah, some time ago they hired a whole hotel in Kumasi here. They were thrown out. Now I'm on fraud business in Kwano, and they, in fact, it came out on the radio say they were killing people. People made noise and asked the landlord to eject them. The whole hotel, no, or more renting. So you ask yourself, say, hotel kakakasa, or more renting, or more the yet their business no more entia or my ISR. And when the news came out, some people rose up against them and they were thrown out. Into a crowd for the modern cosmopolitan. You will leave them, but Kumasi the baby the Utum for Betty or may investigate. Now, so if you're not so the US character, you'll be thrown out.
No, I think say irrespective of maybe we're creating an idea no plan, say a stopping of some way because we are not parading on too much. Or to me, troll letter from the kingdom. And yes, yes, say I'm a read letter from the kingdom of the Igbo.
This is laughable.
From the kingdom. We no go agree. May change demonstration. Maybe Fred Ghana boy Bisan say that been as high demonstration because we have to demonstrate. People have to demonstrate.
People have to rise up. People have to rise up. People have to rise up. And
what do you mean build kingdom? Obey the kingdom for what? Politician be share. I'm telling you, be share. Obi GB say or say Okraniama dema yes or export and import or will be. So most Ghanaians are happy and they are maybe he's feeding them somewhere. And you know.
Also the Nigeria for them when they want to enslave you, that's what they do. They give you food. And I said the feeding one day. Yeah, you are his slave. They will enslave you and use you. It shall be well.
No, yeah, this is stop nonsense. No, that's what I think. They'll stop it. Yeah, they will stop it because so to me, Babonti ebe dispute Ayariga Hassan Ayariga said, Hassan Ayariga can enye credit. What are you talking about? When to me, I can't say Chinana say Enchino because Hassan Ayariga can say you're arrested you know, or see or BP into your going to me and find it.
Now, BP.
Bois,
Amano. Sorry,
I say to me, Chinibio, I say you to me demonstrate it to the point, say government will know, say we are not ready to hear that name, that kingdom, no. You don't want to hear. So I bet your press release. No, I can't say from the Igbo kingdom. Hey, Master, His Royal Majesty. What is this?
Royal Majesty.
Hey, Charlie. Anyway, before I'll go, I know I'll deal with the government and his people. I've seen some people here, I don't mind. I will tell them my peace of mind. Because one can or more they will continue to take their money. Because some of them like they go die very soon. Ombewu enche na uwa before until they are thinking say omuyim ene hiomo. They are not thinking about chirin kwalano and all this. Because me, I don't trust them. I don't trust them. I mean, I will make kind of say, oh yeah, buy what now Ghana, now see Nigeria, now be DTR. Careful. Yeah, careful because Biblia about Ghana. Apart
from that, they have been taking our young women to their country, and some of them are getting missing.
Oh,
they have been taking, yes. These people there, I don't trust them all. I have very little trust with them. Only lady or up to now, we have never seen her. Not even a body. Not even a body. So we don't know whatever happened to her. And this is the only one that came out with a lot of noise. There are other people who are also might have been missing or hidden. So, because she was from Takwa, then maybe the family were very particular about her. That is why we were able to hear all those things. Others, we didn't even know anything.
all right. Thank you so much. I mean,
Thank you.
they say how they me born in life say my name end me because ebusuan for no my word pan me person me name
Okay. Martin.
Mm-hmm.
It is okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, my brother. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye. And see, ebusuan for we're gonna wrap up very soon. But before I wrap up, there are a couple of people I will not spare them. I don't know how much they know about the whole story, but again, I won't spare them in my closing remark. And I've seen somebody like the Adontinhini of Greater Accra, Ghana. Okay. Bese Manche. I've seen him right now with this so-called guy in a picture. The only person I've not seen so far is the Ni Tekochu II, Dan Manche himself. I've not seen him with this. So I think said when this Chuku the guy keeps saying say he's been ordained into the Manche Palace and all that, I think said it was done by the Adontinhini. I think said he knows something about it because pictures now he's there and he should be the one doing that. And per what I'm seeing, that could be true. Now let me just wrap up quickly with respect to the entire thing. Let me just also use this means to talk to the president. And let me just say, Mr. President John Dramani Mahama, with a beg, as they check on social media and as they listen to what Ghanaians they talk about on social media with respect to this issue where they go on, nobody for tell you say Ghanaians are not happy, Mr. President. We they beg you, you have to find an amicable way of dealing with this issue. And for that matter, this guy where they call himself king, I've seen the press release he sent today is from the palace. And let me refer to it. Let me refer to that particular what do you call? Let me refer to that particular press release. Let me refer to it so you know what I'm talking about. The guy is still calling himself king. It's not like he's joking. See, is it from the palace of Igbo, Ghana, Republic of Ghana. The Igbo chief, doctor. Now he has reduced himself to chief. Okay, now he has reduced himself. Now he's saying that he has a palace. Our palace. The man say he get palace. He didn't understand. Then he talk say he debunk what Hassan Ayarda he talk. Say he do some dubious this thing. And they won't use this opportunity to streamline some things. I don't know whatever this guy they provide for government, but I think say business is business, and there is high time government for make all of us understand where this guy they stand right now. Be politics matter, but we they won't know because if you don't do things right, at the end of the day things go happen. That's what I want to talk. Because this guy when they sit there in front of Okuje to Ablakwa, as they see him, as they won't make him mind say, he be Ghana where he go thrive, he go make him mind say he go do things for Ghana. It's about time they go tell him. It's about time we go let this guy go know. Say, look, you know, if you come to Ghana, then can you call yourself king? Then now they release letter. Guys, if just now they come, they release press release, the bank say what Hassan Ayariga they talk be lie. You know, talk say they no arrest him. You know, talk say they no arrest him. It debunk the fact that Hassan Ayariga say they do dubious things, they do frost things, they do a shower, they do alele, they bring people from Niger, they can't do a shower. That is what it debunk. You know, the bank say Hassan Ayariga they lie. You know, the bank that one. Say Hassan Ayariga they lie, say they no arrest him by national security. Now, I dey talk again. It be very important. Say we just make sure. Say this guy own to me betena Ghana and yen no. So to now no more Alfred who king. Any subordinate near the we know if they continue the nature such a person. Say he go can't dey Ghana, then he go do what they do. The earlier we go stop him, the better. If you know hear about the people where they call them Igbo people, how did they behave at the beg? Me, I've seen it before in Dubai. When they start coming to Dubai, in their numbers, wherever you go see there's a fight, a serious fight in Dubai where there's confusion. Tell, ask, you go find somebody inside. If you find 20 people, blacks fighting, 19 will be Nigerians. And that was the time I make a video. If you think they are the lie, go to my YouTube, go to my TikTok page with the same name, Top Gossip 24 on TikTok, and check the video that is the highest viewers video on your right. You go see, say it's all about what these Nigerian people they're doing in Dubai that day. And those days, when I was advising Ghanaians living in Dubai that time, if you check, that was a video. These guys go around, they parade themselves, they hold cutlass, they snap people and things. As I talk to you now, there are places in Nwa where when you walk midnight, you know, go feel walk there because it be the same Nigeria guys, they spoil that place. Those days, with the feel they walk, they go learn from regional maritime, come back without anything. Now you know, if you walk freely through those corners, if somebody will catch you for they take your phone. Somebody will collect your phone because all these guys, they come, they stay there, they do their own thing. So we are begging. I therefore want to use this platform once again. They urge the youth, all the youth in Ghana. If you are new here, please remember to subscribe for us. Why? Say I will join you new dear, Mr. Wabomodian say subscribe my subscribe na pushy subscribe na pushy video no push no being so be. Say guy no yechi no anase yanche no. No credit woman say ampanampa Hassan Ayariga sure say national security for no beche because or no letter no they buy one the bangi say yechi and say yanche papa no one kasa yanche no. He was debunking the fact say Hassan Ayariga say or dubious ashawo dealings. Sa na the bangi but when the bangi say yanche no. And as Okuje to Ablakwa so ni na kasa akache say he should desist from pronunciation ID assembly but when Musa dey na Okuje to Ablakwa kwa you know. And then wasabe release release press release many press release ma kind nyina no best 244 paragraphs niamo no ankasa STT say is a Jude Chukudi ahinetu the law abiding individual also or law abiding. Then when they tell you say make you do ABCD, you still they go release press release, see what they put for inside. See what they put for inside. Okay, so guys, I beg you, Bemodian say over subscribe it. Now I share, now I comment it. Now I bebre and I bebro hanamo yenche. You better wrap it up. If you are willing to join to come and share your thoughts, there's no problem. We're working on this. We're working hard. You can join us. The only way by which you go join us be the link. This link we did here. That be the only link you go take join us here through the software. You go join us. You go share your mind. But what are the talk? We say Ghanaians. Ghana for Misremo ahimfo no ewo Ghana no all the chief with them dey Ghana from ni teko to the second bese manche ni otinto numwa manche po manche osu manche la manche all the kings and the chiefs in Accra. This thing is lying on your laps. But I'm using this chance again to say, guys, now I'm person call strike, call demonstration, demonstration ni dear, ye piano pa, ye support to. Down by demonstration, Mr. Uti the day. If you hear of that day, hit me up on this platform. Okay, I go make sure say I go bring my guys, make it they can cover that demonstration, because the reason we say we know if you allow somebody come up from a country, can they show in chest, in broad chest, within chief, I need to easy royal majesty. Why can't you go and be royal majesty in Nigeria if you think you are big enough? Why can't you? I tell you people, this guy come to Ghana with an agenda. They come to Ghana with an agenda. This kind of thing cannot be accepted. We cannot accept this. Make it a no, say we cannot accept this. If they say Nigerians must go, they must. Those that are claiming and they walking on the street of Accra, threatening people, threatening or catch us and those people must be arrested and they must be sent packing to Nigeria. And those Nigerians making noise, they're making so much noise, Did they make noise on social media? Oh, Ghana is small, Ghana be small place. What you guys get? Why you guys not see it in your country? Omo Naija, everywhere you go, Eja Dede. Omo Naija, wherever you go, Eja Dede. Why can't you guys stay in your country? If you think that your country is there, why can't you guys stay in your country? Now you are rushing down to Ghana. Why can't you guys stay? You did hear? So guys, I will wrap up from here. I will wrap up now, but the thing be say, I need all of you out here. If you be Nigerian way, they listen to me. You better advise your guys. I tell you, advise them. Some of them, their character is the cause of this problem. I'm not saying all Nigerians are bad. Some day Ghana doing clean job, legitimate job, but people they spoil people. So if somebody spoil something, it will affect you. Like that one where I give them my shop, can they tell me yeah? That kind of people, I won't make them sack because they think say they get sense. If you in Nigeria, you Nigerian, those people selling land for Nigerians in Ghana, you guys know get shame. You know get shame. Ask yourself, how many Ghanaians are buying land in Nigeria? Ask yourself. They wake up, they say, oh, we love Ghana so much. Ghanaians are nice people. Their hospitality is good. You know, when they live in Ghana, you are so happy living is safe. How can't you people make your country safe if you know be thieves and 419, some of you? If you know be because 419 and thief issue, you people go stay your country now. But because of thief issue, then you people be people be red. That is why. Anyway, guys, let me just end this here. Thank you guys all for being part of this. My issue be say Utiminka, but more than subscribe it. Now I comment it. Now I share. Very very important. We comment no, and we hear me palm. I can't tell say yeah the way I not algorithm jumano. The first 30 minutes of every video, no, very, very important. The lifespan, Emma video, no, a lifespan echo. So when you listen to this, share it. It's in different languages. Ga, Tree, Pidgin, English. These are the 4 languages I was using. So I put all languages around so that everybody will understand what they go on. So thank you guys all, and that's the net. Bye for now.